In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tabular report using Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com, commonly known as Salesforce. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you feel comfortable and proficient in creating reports by the end. Let's begin by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, we'll start by clicking on the app launcher. You'll find this icon in the upper left corner of your screen, and it resembles a grid of dots. Clicking on it provides access to all the available apps within your Salesforce environment. Next, from the list of apps, find and click on Reports. This will take you to the Reports homepage where you can view and manage all your existing reports. Now, let's create a new one. Look for the New Report button and click on it to get started with a fresh report. Now, a crucial part of creating a report is selecting the right report type. You'll see a search bar where you can enter keywords related to your desired report type. Once you've identified the correct type, click on it. This sets the foundation for the data you will work with, so choose wisely based on your reporting needs. With your report type selected, click on Continue to proceed. This will open a report builder interface where the real work begins. Here, you'll want to focus on the various tabs available to you, like Outline, Columns, and Filters. Let's take a closer look at the Outline tab. Here, you'll see an overview of your report structure. It's essential to understand how your report is organized, as this affects how data is displayed and summarized. Having a well-planned outline makes your report more readable and useful. As we move on, you'll notice the Columns tab. This is where you can add different fields to your report. Think of columns as the backbone of your report. They determine what data is displayed. Spend some time selecting the fields that matter most to your analysis. Once you've organized your columns, it's time to apply the filters. Filters are incredibly important as they refine the data shown in your report. Think of them as a sieve that lets only the relevant data through. Click on Add Filter to choose filters that meet your reporting objectives. When your report setup is complete, click on Save. You'll be prompted to input a report name and a unique name for identification. Make sure these names are descriptive so you can quickly find your report later. Don't forget to specify the folder where you'd like to save your report. This helps in keeping your reports organized and accessible. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Save once more, and there you have it, a complete tabular report created in Salesforce. You've now successfully navigated through creating your first tabular report, and hopefully you've gained some valuable skills along the way. Thank you for following along, and happy reporting.